Hey guys, today in this video I am going to tell you how to transfer channel ownership of your YouTube channel to another Gmail account. So the first thing that we need to do is you have to open YouTube and your channel, and then you have to click here and go to YouTube Studio. So once when you're here in YouTube Studio, you have to click on Settings, and then you have to click on Channel, Advanced Settings, and you have to go down and you have to click here on Manage YouTube Account. Once when you're here, you have to go down and click on Add or Remove Manager. So it will take you here. Now what you have to do, you have to click on Manage Permissions. And then you have to click here on Invite New Users. Once when you do that, you have to write the email of the new user that you want to add. And now we have to choose the role. So an invitation has been sent. Let's check the Gmail of other account to see if we have got the invitation or not. So here you go, we have this invitation. We're going to click Accept Invite. Accept. Now we can see that we have a new manager. Now in order to change the account ownership, what do we need to do? We need to make this channel the primary owner. Primary owner will make this new email or this new Gmail account of mine the new owner of this YouTube channel. Now it usually takes some days. Sometimes it happens instantaneously on the spot, but sometimes it takes some 7 days for this account to be a manager. It's written right here down that this new account needs to be in this position of the manager for at least 7 days, and after 7 days you can make them the primary owner. Once they are the primary owner of the channel, then the ownership of this YouTube channel, which I have right here, will be transferred from this account to this account, from this email to this email. So it was as simple as it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.